The concept of Demium is to bring people together, people that want to be entrepreneurs, that have different skills, and create teams from the beginning. We then help them create companies, find business opportunities, and find funding to create global companies.
The atmosphere and the people is really great, and there are like really good tech talent, people willing to achieve their dreams and launch the companies to the market. So I think for us it's the right environment for help them in the following months to launch the companies to the market.
What Demium does is give you the hand to support you, to help people with potential to create their team, to find people with also the same hunger to make a change, to make a difference. It's not just following the 9-to-5 job every day, and we will help them create the startup of their dreams.
People have arrived to Demium without knowing each other. They then have formed teams, and we've given them an idea, and during 48 hours they're going to be working on these ideas.
Since it's a very short amount of time, some of the teams decided to stay at night and then work long hours to make sure that they're going to get their idea perfect. They prepared a pitch, and today we're actually having a pitch session in front of investors and mentors, and that's where they can show off what they prepared. The thing that makes the project happen are the people behind it. And we believe that when we put the right people in the right teams, that's where we can create the magic. So Demium provides the whole support to everybody who wants to start a business to avoid the failure, to minimize the risk of starting their own business.
Congratulations to all the winners in this first AllStartup event in Warsaw. I think it was really fantastic, and it's going to be also in the following 5 events that we are going to do during this year. And we are really happy to launch in Warsaw, Demium, and it's amazing.
Dear future co-founders, be brave, be ambitious, and join Demium.